Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. So today I'm going to show you how to make rose oil. Now rose oil has got so many beauty benefits. Now if you want the perfect skin, rose oil has got you. It gets rid of blemishes and it brightens up your complexion in general. This ancient oil has been around for so many years, and it was used by ancient women from the royal family. Not only is it gonna give you the perfect skin, but it's also gonna make you smell good. It soothes the skin and it is very good for sensitive skin. So without wasting much time, let's just get started. Of course, to start, I'm gonna need a rose. I have here a rose flower. I'm gonna get the petals off. So I'm gonna put a non-stick pan on fire, and I've chosen coconut oil as my carrier oil. Now I'm gonna melt up the coconut oil. Mind you, this is very low fire. We're not boiling it, we're just heating it up. Now I'm gonna put my beautiful petals in it. And using a spoon, I'm just gonna push it down so that it is covered by the coconut oil. Now I'm gonna leave it on the lowest flame possible. And slowly but surely we're gonna infuse the coconut oil. Mind you, you shouldn't let it boil. If you realize it's boiling, just put off the fire. So this has been on the low fire for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna put off the fire and let it cool down. And after cooling down, and with the help of a strainer and a funnel, I'm gonna extract the oil. So ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, our rose oil is ready. Now you can imagine the smell of the rose petals with the sweet smell of coconut oil. It is a great combination. Not only are you gonna get the good benefits of the rose, but you are gonna get the good benefits of coconut oil as well. Mind you, this oil can be used for both skin and hair, and it can be used as an everyday oil. You don't even need perfume if you use this oil. So I hope you like this guys, and I hope you're gonna give it a try. If you're not subscribed to this beautiful channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Until next time, I'm gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.